All right, guys, we're gonna let you watch us try to repair this clown facade best we can.
Yeah.
We did a couple of interesting things today. I've seen it before, but I figured I'd incorporate it in our hunt, and I wanted to show you that. This is going to be kind of a short video because it's kind of the same old process over and over. Build panels, do up panels, but I will go down and show you from about the mummy facade on up, and kind of show you what we got going on, what we got in mind on doing things, so you kind of get the gist of things. So yeah, so we'll show you kind of what we're at and what we're going to do. And yeah, just all right, so this is what we got going on, guys, right here. Now we're going to come back and we're going to touch these little light spots up on here. It probably doesn't really matter, but we're, you know, just if time permits it, we'll touch those up. So what we did is we're making coffin doorways. Like I said, I've seen this done before somewhere. I can't remember who done it, but anyway, I incorporated it into ours. So we're going to another wide area, and this is where the alien facade's going to go. Well, where it is. And then we choke you down to real small. Another left turn, another right turn, and you just, we made it bigger in here. We can put some props in here, and we also got another coffin doorway there. Of course, every time I show you guys this, for some reason the sun's over here because I've filmed most of it late in the day. But that's kind of what we got done today. We got one there with the oval top on it, but there's the back side of it, and all this will get painted black. And we're going to incorporate it down here and start our section of wall down this way to have it. We're going to have this a little bit of a big area. Not too big, but we're going to make it where you're kind of close to these here, so you can get close to the breakouts and all that good stuff. And that way when people walk by, they ain't got very far to run, so you can do a scare, so you can scare them real good. And I built these years ago, and this is a piece of pipe I cut with a jigsaw and stuff, and I'm going to put fog coming out of these. So, you know, just some old stuff I built a few years back, and I figured I'd incorporate it in there somewhere. But this is the back side of the doorway for the coffin doorway. You kind of see what we did, and I made these 6'6", so we should have plenty head height. 24 inches on each side. Well, it's approximately 24 inches on, you know, the shoulder, so your shoulders will come through there, and about, I don't know, I think 13-14 inches at the base. But that's kind of what we got. Anyway, guys, sorry that the video isn't as long as usual, but just kind of wanted to show you what we got going on and all that goody stuff. I'm walking backwards in the hunt. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share kind of our, you know, a little bit of our doorways, and showed a little bit of building them and stuff. And we fixed the clown facade back up as best we could. And we just, you know, we're just building walls every day and bracing everything up. And a lot of this stuff, guys, I'm guessing and going as far as moving this around and going through here and corridors and stuff like that. So we don't have a whole lot of fancy stuff on the walls. Now I can work on that next year. This year it's going to be a trial run for me to figure out what I need to do. Then we're going to do it next year, and we'll see how it goes. Anyway, guys, I'm going to hop off here. We appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check out my trio of brothers. That's David the Weird Kid Show and Keith at Cobwebs and Candlesticks. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and do so, and hit that notification bell, and that'll let you know each and every time that I upload a video. And I still have a few more, you know, build videos coming. I hope you guys don't get bored with it. But I'm trying to show you what we got going on. Got a lot more to do, and a very short amount of, in a very short amount of time. But anyway, we hope you enjoy. We appreciate you watching. Keep it creepy.